What do you want to do with the rest of your life? Maybe you already have an answer, but if you don't, that's okay. We can help you figure it out. When you get in touch with us, we'll discuss your goals and dreams. If University of Phoenix is a good fit for you, we'll explore some degree options together and help you find your ideal program. We'll also talk to you about how you like to learn and discuss ways to fit school into your busy schedule so you can make an informed decision about taking classes online, on campus, or both. Once you're sure about what you want to study, getting started is really simple. You can complete the entire enrollment process with an enrollment advisor. They'll take you through it step by step, help you fill out the admission forms, and be your go-to person leading up to your first day of class. They'll also set you up with your graduation team, your team of advisors that will support you all the way through graduation. This is an on-demand education, available whenever you want to start. So you tell us when you're ready. In the meantime, feel free to get in touch if you have any questions. And be sure to check out the Visiting Student Center on phoenix.edu, where you can get a glimpse of the resources